Did you know that Optical Explorer, Exfo's optical fiber multimeter, can help you eliminate hidden costs of ownership related to your test instrument fleet? Have you ever wondered about the actual cost of an instrument beyond its initial price tag? Ever wondered how hidden costs of ownership can impact your efficiency and expected profitability? And how to keep control on the root causes? With most test instruments, if not carefully selected, the cost journey does not stop at the initial price tag. The more complex instruments are, the greater the required investment on workforce initial training, along with recurring training costs as new recruits come on board. Relying on systematic remote support from experts can also waste their valuable time and create inefficiencies. These are direct yet hidden human resource costs. Fragile equipment will require more frequent factory repairs at your expense, while yearly calibration can quickly add up. As fiber optic ports tend to degrade over time, they typically need to be replaced at the factory in order to bring them back to original performance levels. Batteries may require factory service at the end of their life cycle. All those factory services can result in costly downtime, logistics, and eventually in the need to invest in maintaining an inventory of spare testers to ensure business continuity. With massive fiber deployments ahead, and so many new technicians to onboard and equip, those hidden or unplanned costs tend to multiply to the point of being unsustainable for large fleets of instruments. Exfo's Optical Explorer tackles the root causes of these pains, eliminating, by design, hidden costs of ownership. With Optical Explorer's built-in expertise and built-in intelligence, technicians are ready to verify and troubleshoot as experts with limited training and no need for remote support. 3-year warranty and Exfo's proven robustness minimize occurrences and costs of factory repairs. Routine maintenance such as calibrations are eliminated. Connector replacement and battery replacement can be done right from the field. This means much less downtime and logistics for factory services and less spare tester inventory required, as most maintenance can be done from the field. For more information, visit exfo.com or contact support@exfo.com.